I think people stay with Stowe for a long time because we have a supportive environment where we can help people and train people to do all sorts of roles as they want to continue their careers. We are a family business and that's what keeps people here for the long term.
I'm extremely proud of the culture we have here at Stowe Australia. It's resulted in teams that are respectful and ultra supportive amongst one another.
I've built a lot of confidence, not only as a worker, but as a person. I feel like I have a voice when I come in. Everyone's here to rip in, have a good time and have a laugh. Poscoms are all around.
The site team especially, I spend a lot of time with them every day, working hard to build relationships that become almost like family.
Stowe's core value of safety is really important to me. It ensures that I can go home safely each day to my family.
There's an unimpeded access to safety protocols and training requirements and refreshers.
Every year we have 100 to 200 apprentices come in, and they will be in the capital cities, but they'll also be out in the regional towns, and they have opportunities. They might become an estimator, they might become a project manager, they might work in service as an account manager, and they grow their roles. And as we see, many of them are actually with us for decades and decades, and sometimes their whole career.
I was selected to be part of Stowe's Emerging Leaders program, which built my confidence and confirmed that I was with an organisation that invested in its employees.
I've been with Stowe since 2011, all the way through from an apprentice, tradesman, leading hand, foreman and supervisor. One of the best things about Stowe is the ample opportunity to grow. There's plenty of opportunities, plenty of support and plenty of leadership.
I've been at Stowe for 20 years. One of my favourite things about my role is seeing large, technically complex projects through from concept stage to completion.
When I started the trade, the things I enjoyed the most was the environment itself. Having like a family, like a crew you'd be a part of. I can definitely see a path within my future, especially at Stowe itself.
I was running hotels and had the shutdown with COVID, and I thought, here we go, this is a good opportunity to have a career change.
Knowing that I'm working with a company that's been around for so long in the industry, it makes you feel obviously stable in the company that we're working with.
You get to wear different hats. I get to do design work, I get to do testing and commissioning on site, but I also then get to don a bomb suit and turn it on.
I joined Stowe as a service technician and then moved on to an account manager role. Now I'm an account manager that manages multiple clients. The most rewarding parts of my job is problem solving on the client's behalf, exceeding their expectations and seeing the gratitude and appreciation at the end.
Did about 3 years on the tools and then put in an expression of interest to come in the office and see what the other side of the business looked like, and never looked back.
It's good, there's always a challenge, there's always something new going on. We get to work on some large projects and some pretty interesting ones as well.
When I see a project come together from a design concept all the way through to a delivery and handover to client, it's mesmerising. Something that really brings it home to say that this is something that I can take my kids to and my family to and say, I designed that.
After working with Stowe for a few years, I realised this is a company that I could definitely have my career in and hopefully retire in. If you get in and you work hard and you show promise, you can go right through. Have an open mind, get in and just give it your best.